Okay, YouTube, we out here with welding project. Got this thing all done. I was finna try to start the motor, didn't have oil in it. I put oil in it. I rolled it. It's rubbing. The chain is rubbing. This piece I put rubber hose tube there, but that's gonna have to be changed. But it runs though. See if I can get you guys to start up. Riding with no brakes, trying to record with a phone, and this little thing got power. Got the 7G belt drive. I kind of need to cut down the idle a little bit, but it's running. It's running good. Yeah, that idle's a little high, but we're gonna fix that. And see, like I ain't on the gas, I'm still rolling. Yeah, but it runs and it runs good. Everything is welded on this bike, like my sprocket is welded. So I was thinking that maybe it was gonna come off, but it actually is running real good. I don't know if you guys can see that where the top of the chain is rubbing the inner tube there, but that's really the only problem. My kids end up dropping the bike, so now I got a nice dent here, but in the gas tank, but that's all right too. Pedal extenders, so we can get the pedal out far enough because we're using the regular bike crank. That's the welding project though.